For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage, The Zoo. I want to read the first 2 sentences together. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word.
Today, we are reading the passage, The Zoo. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the first line. Great job! Now, where do we go when we get to the end of this line? We move to the line underneath. Let's read together. We will read the first 2 sentences together. Follow the red dot as we read each word. Get your tapping fingers ready. I see the giraffe. It is tall. I see the giraffe. It is tall. I see the elephant. It is big. I see the elephant. It is big. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. Your reading is growing.
Awesome job! How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word turtle in the sentence? Can you sound out the word snake? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about the animals at the zoo. You did a great job figuring those out. Now, let's identify some letters versus words.
We are going to use the pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 3 words? I see the. That's 3 words. Next, how many letters do you count? Did you count 7 letters? I, S, E, E, T, H, E. That's 7 letters.
It's time to go over our letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? Our first letter is L, L, L. Which letter sounds like L? The next letter is W, W. Can you point to the letter that sounds like W? The next letter is E, E, E. point to the letter that sounds like eh. The next letter is t. Which letter sounds like t? The last letter is qua, qua, qua. Point to the letter that sounds like qua. If you pointed to the letters L, W, E, T, and Q, awesome job! You got them all right. It's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each picture.
The word is legs. Legs. Which letter does the word legs start with? The word is elf. Elf. Which letter does the word elf start with? The word is nacho. Nacho. Which letter does the word nacho start with?
Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we listen to the sounds in a word, then put them together. Let's try one together. Our first word is job. Job. Put them together. Which word does job sound like? Job. Job. Say it. Job. Job. Your turn. Job. Job. Last time. The next word is ed. Ed. Put them together. Which word does ed sound like? The last word is am. Am. Put them together. Which word does am sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We are going to say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is fin. Fin. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Fin. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word fin. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Fin. I, n. I, n. Fin. Which letter sounds like f? Which letter sounds like I? Which letter sounds like n? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word fin. The next word is tin. Tin. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Tin. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word tin. T, I, n. T, I, n. Tin. Which letter sounds like t? Which letter sounds like I? Which letter sounds like n? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word tin. The last word is pin. Pin. Say it. Your turn. One last time. Pin. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word pin. P, I, n. P, I, n. Pin. Which letter sounds like p? Which letter sounds like I? Which letter sounds like n? Pause the video to write the word pin. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your